you're looking for single level living here in Caringah South, you have to check this one out.
This Hamptons inspired villa has ceilings that you just have to see to believe. I love this shaker cabinetry and the way the northern light flows through the living space.
It's an open and free-flowing floor plan. It leads out to a beautiful little court garden. I could live here.
What about this for the size of a second bedroom? You've got inbuilt cabinetry, room for a study, and beautiful natural light.
And you're almost freestanding with only being connected by the garages. You've got a number of lifestyle opportunities and cafes, shops and schools just around the corner. Is this the one you've been waiting for?